Hello and welcome to another part of this tutorial where we're going to create a knife. I'm going to show you the knife, what we're going to make. We're going to the second layer and here it is. Yeah, you're loading it in. It's right there. Not that one, this knife. So if we have it, we can put a opacity a bit up so we can see it a bit better. We want it in the middle. So there we go. We start with a normal cube and we're sizing it a little bit, so that should look acceptable, and a bit smaller, something like that, and then we go extruding it as Y, and another time. This time a little bit like this. Well, I did that one, but I only want the lower one because I think this image is a bit rotated, so it will look a bit weird. So there we go, a bit upwards, extruding it, and this sorry, important part, we're going to extrude it one more time, just a little bit, bring that down there, and one more time, and do that another time. So we have something like this, yes, and there we go again, and scale that down. So I think when we lower this one, we already have something cool. Great. And one more time there. Cool. If we take a look, we can make that smaller, something like this. And now we're extruding the knife again. And I think we should put it a bit downwards so there's a nice curve over there. So lower that a bit, like this, or maybe a bit more. There you go, and extrude it. Yes, and now it's going up, so we put that there, something like this. It's good, and again. Yes, selecting that one, that one. There we go. Oh, and it's already get a bit curvy. It's a bit boring. There we go. Don't go too quick, because maybe it looks a bit shit there. Cool. I really like nice modeling it. They have some hard shapes, but in the end, when you go to the materials, you can have a lot of fun. And yeah, it's not too bad. Cool. We are finally almost there. Then we have to make some sharp, the bottom needs to be sharp. That's why I bring them together. It's not a big deal if it doesn't look really sharp, because you don't need a close-up, I think. Well, maybe not. So yeah, this looks not really satisfying. So knife, check, and we need, oops, go back. There we go. And again, you're doing well. So good. Boom. And one little more. So and after this we're gonna create some smooth edges, so it's gonna be all right. Not leaving it as this. You think, oh whoa, that looks so ugly. Oh, it's not really ugly. Now I'm going to put this a bit upwards. So good. Pretty cool. Ah, oops, did I extrude it? I don't know. Did I? Remove doubles. No, I did not. Sometimes I'm extruding it and then I make a mistake. And I think oh, nothing wrong. And then in the end, there's something weird looking in the middle. I have to remove vertices. Horrible. Cool. One more time. S-Y. Okay. So knife, and we're done. Almost saved the work. I think I'm going to make one over here, or let's leave it. Let's have a look. So yeah, one there. And now I'm going to add a subdivision surface and selecting these. Exactly. Oh, we can do this faster. Yes. And zoom in. Zoop. Oh, we don't want these. And we need to make that sharp. Or maybe we need them. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, we need you. And you. Yeah. Okay. Alright. This looks like a sharp knife. And we should bring that right there. Okay. And maybe one over here. But we want this smooth corner, but it looks okay. I think it's not too bad. It's a bit thin. Maybe we can fix that. Something like this. Okay. So yeah, you can grab it. Looks good. Can we do that? Apply it? Or maybe one more? What looks better? Well, I think when we smooth this, yeah, this looks better. So we have a knife. It's not exactly the same, but I think we come away with it. It's a lot of vertices. Well, yeah, we just seen it. It looks pretty nice. Yes. We're going P selection, because I have a reason for this. Same with this one. There we go. And P selection. So now we're going to add some materials. New. Black. Of course you can assign it, but I want to do something with this part later. New. Metal. Yeah. And one over here. New. And we use the metal. So first of all, we do a projection, and we're going to split the view. We're going to work with anisotropic shader. So to have a better view, there we go. Node. Okay, what's happening? I think this is not the one we want. It's still there. I think it's from the old file or something, or that I'm working in. No, it's strange. Maybe my metal is, I don't know, very strange. We're going to add a shader, anisotropic one, so it's a clean file, and we put that in the surface, and looks what is happening. Anisotropic is different than the glossiness, so I will show you the difference between glossy. So go away. This looks with glossy, but if we look to the knife, the picture, you can see some scratches over there. So I'm using a displacement and this anisotropic filter, and we needed a UV map to fix that. Render it again. So this looks not what we want to have. We going to change that, giving that some different values. So you can see how, if I make that one, it's less glossy. And what happened if I make this less? You can see it's more glossy coming in. So the 0.7 is what looks good. I want to remove this circle looking thing. So for that, we're going to add an input and tangent. Put it right there, making that UV. So now it's removed. UV map. So, and if we zoom in, it looks yeah, pretty fun. But I'm still not happy with it. I want some more. So what we're gonna do is remove this glossy. We're going to add a texture, image texture. It's like the node tree I made before. So my metal scratches, and we need to add color, mix, and make that multiply. So we only want the black and white areas in the, so we can fake some in it. We want this 0.99 and put in displacement and make this white or totally black. Yes, and we need to do one more thing. We go to UV image editor. We have to make that huge. So we hit render again. So you can still see some scratches. Note point. We'll make it white. No, it needs to be black. So 0.99. Yeah, now it's gone. Or 0.995. Make it. Yeah, something like this. So, okay, this is the knife metal. Maybe we can make this a bit more black. Yeah, and we copy the metal from the metal, and we need to UV unmap it. You project from view and go to the material, UV. There we go, and hit render. Right here is our knife. So yeah, pretty cool. Right, I can do one more thing to fake these things in the middle. So add cylinder. Right there. Yes, it's just a trick. I think that will work. Alright, go to edit mode, shift D and shift D. Okay, cool. Call this cut. Save the work. Sometimes it will crash. Boolean cut. There it is. Oops, made a difference. Not union. What's the difference? Yeah, big difference. So apply it, remove these guys. All right, so we want to fill this, remove the doubles. Oh, no doubles. Okay, cool. Okay, you need to have some patience sometime, or maybe hurry it a little bit up. These like these, we have everything, just go around. Oh, fill, we hit render. Yeah, that looks a bit different than what I want. No, not at all. Control Z. So it's not really the thing how I wanted to have it. Okay, just go away, Mr. Hole in my knife. Okay, see you later. Yeah, leave this knife like this, and in the next part we're gonna create that wooden block where we can put in all these knives, and it's gonna be cool. Okay, see you in the next part.